What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have I'm Gone by Oliver Tree. Obviously a lovely song to play on the guitar, and we have the keyboard on third fret. Have a lot of part to learn this song and also lots of chords to learn. So let's get started. Have a look at the structure, big structure we have. We started with the verse, then we have the chorus, then we have the next verse, then we have the bridge. Then we have the bridge. Then we have a chorus, then a verse, then a chorus. So we have three parts to learn all together: verse, the chorus, the bridge. So let's get started. I don't know how many chords we have, but we have many chords. Keep on third fret. The first chord is a C major, which is mute 3 2 0 1 0. Then A minor, which is mute open second 1 open. Then a G 3 2 open open 3 3. Then B major, which is mute 2 4 4 4. You can keep the high E string muted, or you can even just play it like this. B7, which is mute 2 4 2 4 2. But obviously play this shape. Then we have what else? So we got so many chords. E minor 0 2 2 0 0 0. D major mute mute open second third second. And I think I have covered all those chords. So let's get started with the first part, which is the verse. So it goes like this. So we have a lot of chords for the verse, and that goes for the second verse as well as for the third verse. So just have a look at the tab. Have a look at the chord progression before that. A minor, G, B, 7, then a G, then a B, then a C, then a B, the E minor, then a C, then a B, then a B7. And you see that after the G we got after the G and B, in between that G and B, got a slash. There's a reason why it's there, but I'm just gonna break down everything for you guys. So have a look at the tab. We start off playing second fret on the G string, B string first fret, third fret on the high E string. We play with our fingers, index, middle, and ring. We play the G, B in the high E string. We play G, B, high E string, then B string. We play it a total of 2 times. And then the next time we hold this shape where we have the third fret on the E string, open B string, second fret on the high E string. With the thumb we play the E string, then the open B string, then second fret on the high E string, then open B string. Again repeat that 2 times. After that we have the B7 chord, but it's a very much different shape we have over here. So it's basically 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. It's a 6 on the D string, 7 on the G string, and 8th fret. I'm very sorry. 6th fret on the high E string. Get a lot confused when I have the capo. So you get 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Oops. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I'm sorry, we have 7 on the D, 8 on the G, 7 on the high E string. We play the same pattern. We play D, G, high E string, G. Repeat that. So you got. And then we have. We play it's optional. We play the E string, 3rd fret, and pinky on the high E string, 5th fret. We play that together. Then 3 on the E, 2 on the E, then back to 3. So again. And you see that slash. Now we have that. So from now, all the chords we have the B, C, B, E minor, C, B, B7. We're just gonna play the bass note. I'm just gonna show you. Just have a look at my right hand. I play the bass note, which may be on the A string for some of the chord, or maybe on the top E string for some of the chord, or maybe on the D string. And then I play the G string, B string, G string. So this is a pattern, finger picking pattern. Bass note G, B, B, and repeat that twice for all the chords shown on the screen after the slash. So we got B, C, B, E minor, C, B, B major, sorry. And for the B7 you can play it a total of 2 times, but I like to play it 1 time, and then I do a small down and I enter the chorus. Dun, 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 forever now. So let's play the whole verse so it will be crystal clear. Again, this is not so easy, so it will take a bit time, so make sure to pause the video and practice. From the beginning, let's play 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we have the chorus. For the chorus, our chord progression is this one is very easy. We have a C, then a G, then an A. Now you can play the open chords, but I like to play the bar chord for the C and the G. So I'm playing the A major like this, where I just got the open E, top E string muted, open A string, open second fret on D, second fret on the G, second fret on the B, and high E string muted. This is a lot easy to play, and the bar chord shape of the C is basically mute, 3 on the A, 5 on the D and G, and everything all muted, rest muted. Bring this up, so it will be 3 on E, 5 on the D and A, it's a G, and then all muted. So I do 4 downstroke on the C, 4 downstroke on the D, and 8 downstroke on the A, because the A is 2 times. So we have sorry, we get confused. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, we do 8 downstroke on the C, 8 downstroke on the G, 16 downstroke on the A. Hope it's clear, playing it very slowly. Bit faster. So nice and easy. Then we have the next verse. After that, he's gonna play that. We have the bridge. So after the verse, we don't have any chorus now. For the verse, we have the bridge. So this bridge is a bit different. Now it's actually easy to play. The chord progression will be a E minor, D major, G, then a B. We repeat the chord progression one more time and we are done for the bridge. Again, over here you're just gonna do 8 downstroke on each chord. No matter what the chord is, you're just gonna do 8 downstroke on each chord. Again, I'm telling you guys, I'm actually not again, but for the first time I'm telling you guys, I'm very much tired because I'm covering many guitar tools in a single day. So it's actually a lot of hard work, believe me. So let's play the bridge. E minor, D, G, B. After that, we have the chorus. Again, say da, da, da. You can even play the open chords. After that, we have the next verse, and that's almost everything you need for this lesson. If this helped you out, make sure to drop in one of these. Subscribe, because I just want to reach 2,000 subscribers as fast as possible. Make sure to have a check on my channel, because I'm very much regular. You see, I always do stuff with tabs and most accurate. So I'll see you guys back in the next video. Have a lot of videos to do, so don't have much time to talk. Bye.